Hey, it's Seranna from the Australian Sex Party here at the International AIDS Conference, and today we are at the stall about Know Your Drugs and harm reduction and human rights and drug policy, and today we're talking to Steve. How you doing, Steve?
Pretty good, thanks. Welcome. This is the Know Your Drug War stall, and what we're really trying to do is to let people know the cost of the war on drugs in terms of HIV, both in terms of promoting unsafe behaviours around injecting drug use, but also in terms of stigmatising drug users so it becomes more difficult for them to access services, and also that we're putting all our resources into punitive enforcement measures when in fact we should be putting our resources into prevention, into treatment and education. So we're here highlighting the huge human costs of the drug war. We're trying to encourage policymakers to engage in the debate on alternative approaches and hopefully move towards a world in which drug use is no longer criminalised, people have access to services, and those services are appropriately funded. And one of the initiatives we're backing is the Vienna Declaration. It's the main declaration for the conference. It calls for policy to be based on evidence and science and not ideology and politics. And it calls for the decriminalisation of drug use and a public health-based approach instead of a punitive criminal justice one. If you're watching this, you can log on at www.viennadeclaration.com and you can sign, and I hope you will. So get involved. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Steve. Now do that right now.